Today we're going to practice some very basic stick welding techniques that I haven't mastered. And let's give it a try and see what we can do. First, we're going to try to stick these together with a little Harbor Freight rod, and we're going to see what we can do today. Too strong. Try just a little second. Man, that little thing get hot, don't it? Alright, let's try a little bit more. Alright, let's chip this out. Let's get a good angle. Let's chip this out. You can see I haven't done anything. Just see what we got. As you can see, we got a little penetration. Let's get a little. Sorry about that. Still a little hot, so let's try to see what we can do. Piece is still hot, so I'm just kind of giving you a look. Alright. This is what we got. Sneaking in there. As you can see, it's not the prettiest, but I just want to stick it together. It's a little not even, but here's the backside penetration. So this is only on 32 volt, 32 amps. This is the Yes Welder TIG 205 DS. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, y'all. If you have one of these machines, they're not terrible. This is a Harbor Freight rod. Not terrible, but I can do better. This is just practicing. Like I said, I'm just trying to do something while I'm away from boys. So stay tuned when we go take another run at this. let that cool down and we'll see what that'll do. First, we're gonna make sure it's not welded to the table. It's not. I'll let it cool down and we're gonna see what we got. Alright, now we let that cool down a little bit. We're gonna see what we got. Fold up the tripod a little bit. Yeah, see what that brings. Sorry for the light, but I'm doing what I can do. It's a little hard. There we go. I'm trying not to be so loud. My wife's trying to take a look. Let's see what we can do. All right, here we go. We're gonna try to get a straight line and see what we got. That does happen. Still scared me, wasn't just scared you. Right. Look like I got a semi-straight line there. I'm gonna let that crackle down and we're gonna see what we got. Alright. As you can see, take my rubber glove off. That is a much better bead. I would pick it up, but it's hot. That's a much better bead than before. Straight, still crackling a little bit, but it's a lot better. I'm not claiming to be the best, but I'm just trying to do some stuff. So when I do get to structural welding, I can be competent at that. We're gonna try one more. We're gonna wrap this up. Stay tuned. Shorter rod, I had to get what I can get. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up and go in the house. Watch some Boss Baby. Alright, here we go, boys and girls. Yes, welder. 1/8, 613, on 220 volts. So, yeah. As you can see, this is where I started. You know what I'm saying? Back. But this is where I ended up. So those two right there, as you can see, one's a little bit darker, but that's fine. Well, it's kind of grainy. It's only grainy because I don't have the sun up. But you can't see it, but guys, I can tell you it looks a whole lot better than what it does. And those are just 2 lines. So those are 3 lines of sticking some welding coupons together. I think those are 1/8 coupons I was trying not to go through. So it's really not bad. So if you get one of these little Yes Welders, TIG 205 DS, I think you're gonna be in good hands. Excuse my junky garage. Something that I'm gonna add later. I know you can't see the box. That is a 40 CF bottle right there. And over on my bench right there is the regulator. And I got the other goodies in my Craftsman right here. So that TIG is coming. But for right now, it's cheap, easy, fun. Hey, do what you do. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.